Hello San Diego, this is Alex with Master Odor Removal servicing this Porsche Cayenne 2024 for interesting odor issue, a combination of tobacco and dirt, mud. Actually, when we extended this seat out, I know it's got our first step molecular chemical on it now, it's hard to see, but inside of the seat extender there was actually tobacco and or marijuana right in here. You can see it, little piece right there. And then on this side, you can see the owner has purchased the vehicle at the dealership and tried to use these odor absorbers, which just don't work. So they called us because they want a happy camper. Oh, sorry, it's on this side. So you're not going to be able to see it now, but there was there was about 4 inches of just caked in dirt right here, mud, whatever it might be. You can see the chemicals actually in the carpeting already. It's dissolved it, but it was brown and weird looking, and going up into the AC recirc, which is right here, and causing her to have complaints about an odor issue at the dealership. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and treat everything that we do, the seats, the carpeting, the mats, and then we'll treat the AC to make sure it smells fresh and clean. And that's really basically it. We look forward to earning your business as well, all through Southern California. Thanks for viewing. We are luxury car odor removal specialists. Have a good day.